Hi, my name is Nam and I'm a service technician here at Sierra Honda. Today I'm going to talk to you about our AC recharge service and how our certified service team here at Sierra Honda is able to help you in any of your needs. If you feel that your AC system isn't blowing as cold or as hard as it should be, it may indicate that your vehicle is in need of an AC service. It's important to include the service as part of your scheduled maintenance every 2 years. During the AC recharge service, the first step we do is to evacuate all the AC refrigerant out of your system. After that, we put it in a deep cycle mode, which recovers all the possible moisture and air within the system. Right before we finally charge up your system, we do monitor the system for any sort of leaks, and then we would charge the system back to proper specification. Especially since the summer temperatures begin to rise, it's very important to keep your AC performing at its optimum performance. If you feel that your Honda AC system is not performing at its optimum performance, please feel free to visit our website at sierrahonda.com or give us a call to schedule your next appointment to have your AC checked. Thank you again, and we look forward to seeing you here soon.